YouTubers, how are you doing? It's me. So I got a package yesterday and it came in this case. So let's take a look, shall we? I was going to do it like before and after video, but instead of using pictures and then just showing off the product that I got. It's not a new product, it's a vintage shaving kit, quite large. And you look at this shaving kit, you can see a difference in size. But okay. So there you go. So it has a comb for your hair, scissors, maybe for a mustache or nails. So I bought this shaving kit. It has for your toothbrush probably, I don't know, but for a modern toothbrush it's not big enough. So it's an old shaving kit for you who don't know it. It has a very nice brush, hairbrush. And what I did is I put it first in hot water. It's very nicely lacquered in hot water, and let it soak for a while. What I did see, the water was quite black, maybe because of the hairs, but it didn't look like it had been used because it wasn't a lot of dirt in there. So it's very nice. And after that I rinsed it and put it in water with a little vinegar, and it smells okay. Maybe it smells a little bit vinegar. So that's that. It has a holder for the blades, so I put in blades there. It has a little container, glass bottle. You can put some aftershave, whatever. And I will show you the before and after pictures, and you can see how it was when I got it. It has two of these, and you can have a soap, small brush. And it has a little soap box, plastic. And what I was thinking is, some people say that old Lego, or some say old Lego bricks is poisonous. How about this kind of plastic? I don't know. But put in a small tobacco soap there. Smells. Oh, that's so good. So the case, there you go. And you see there on the side there's a holder for this, but there's two of these, and there's no place for this one. So what's the meaning of that? maybe this when you used up a package of blades and you just take out this one and you put in a new one, and it has the says Matador there. So this is a case for a Matador razor, and the case was missing the mirror there, but I found a mirror that I can use. So there you go. Okay, let's show you the razor. There's the razor. Okay, not really, because I was spending time cleaning this and everything, and I was going to go and do a video, and I was taking this one like that, and I had my phone in the other side, and I put the razor on case, and I was bending over to walk over, and then what happened? I broke it. So, like I showed you, I have this one before, so I had to use the head for that. So next time when if you're thinking of doing a video and you want to and you spend time cleaning, making it perfect, be sure to put this thing inside, and be careful, because it broke, sadly, and I was like yelling for myself, but it happens. So anyway, I got the other head, and it fits the handle. So it fell to the ground, and this is a aluminum razor as far as I see, or at least it broke very easily. And you can see it has some stains here, and I got them off, and the razor looked like new, and I got the mirror in there. But hey, that happens. Keep smiling. Okay, that was all I wanted to show you guys. So you can see how you can clean it up and it looks good. Then I was going to use this for traveling, because the other case I have, I never got it to clean inside the soap holder. Like this, because it's for holes so it can get dry. And I never got it clean inside. So when I looked at one of my soaps the other day in the can, in a similar like this, it was like stains on it and maybe a bacteria. So I threw the whole thing away, sadly. Okay, take care. At least this one looks clean, and maybe I can find another head, or maybe I can use this in the video. Okay, take care, and may you all have solid shaves.